Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home, and hope you are watching all the videos, and you can ask your doubts during online classes. Okay, and moreover, before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further, and press the bell icon button for further notification. And you can also see these videos on school website home tutorial page also. So let's do today's topic of the chapter gravitation. So this is the question given on page number 143, question first, and the related to that already I have explained you in last lecture, universal law of gravitation. So this question is related to universal law of gravitation. So we are doing side by side. How does the force of gravitation between two objects change when the distance between them is reduced to half? This is the numerical. So you know that how to do this by universal law of gravitation given by Newton. What is the formula he has proposed? F is equal to G m1 m2 या capital M small m you can take for two different bodies. I am taking m1 m2. You can take capital M and small m also upon d square or r square, means distance between them. Like this is one body, this is second body, center between them, distance between them from their center is d, and this mass is m2 and this mass is m1. So what is the force of attraction between them by Newton? That is G. G is universal gravitational constant, m1 m2 upon d square. Let us take, this is the first equation. Now what is saying? How does the force of gravitation between two objects change? Means we have to calculate this value now when the distance between them is reduced to half. Means this distance, what is the new distance? That changes to d by 2. If you are taking former value 4, so it becomes 2. Masses are same, bodies are same, but distance is reduced to half. So he is asking that is there any change in the force? Of course there is change in force, because force depend on distance. So let's substitute F dash, means the new force value, capital G, masses are same, m1 m2. What is the new distance? D dash. So we will substitute it. G m1 m2, and what is d dash? It is d by 2, and we have to take a square of this. So d by 2 square. Now solve it. You will get G m1 m2 by d square by 4. This quantity will go in the multiply, so you will get 4. Now what is this quantity? G m1 m2 upon d square. By first equation this is equal to F. So we will substitute this value. हम इस value को substitute करेंगे by equation 1. So you will get F dash is equal to, you will get F dash is equal to 4 times of F. What does it mean? If you will decrease the distance between the two bodies, then the force would increase. By which factor? 4 times. Because distance is reduced to half. Distance half हो गया, so force will increase by 4 because it is related to the square of distance between them. So like this you have to do question. Same type of question is also there in your NCERT book. Exercise question, that is your homework you have to do. Now let's do next. Next is importance of universal law of gravitation. We have seen that Newton have proved that there is a force between the two bodies, and he has given the name gravitation. So using that he has given a law, and the formula already we have done. So what is the importance? There are other importance are also there, but basically we consider these 4 are there. First one is, this is the force that binds us to the earth. Means this force is responsible for our binding on the surface of the earth. Means we are stable due to this force only on the surface of the earth. Second thing, due to this force only, gravitational force only, satellite revolve around their planets. So all satellite like moon and all, they revolve around their planets due to this gravitational force exerted by the planets on the satellite. Same thing also you can make a new point, that is due to this force planets revolve around the gravitational force of the sun also. So that becomes your third point, that you can make by yourself also. Just like satellite revolve around the planets, planets revolve around the sun due to this gravitational force only. Rainfall and snowfall take place due to this force only on the surface of earth. Tide formation that takes place on the surface of the earth due to the gravitational force of the moon and the sun, on the surface of the earth, that water is present. So these are the importance of the universal law of gravitation. This is a 2-mark question for the exam point of view in the paper. The question can come, state the importance of universal law of gravitation. So for today, this is the topics you have to do, and moreover homework is given in the description box. You have to do those question answers in your notebook. Thank you and take care.